What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Chicken Farm update. The update is in, like right now, and we're two. Guys, so excited. The admin has been chatting all long day. 42 players RF. Yeah, same updates. First time updates. Um. Admin abuse live. Let's go.
Let's see some OP stuff we're gonna get. Welcome everyone. Yeah,
Welcome, sir. I don't know what to say. It's literally my first time putting the admin abuse. Literally my first time playing the admin abuse. I've never played before, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Like it's gonna spawn like times 2 cash or whatever. Like, bro, I don't know what's gonna happen with the update. Bro, why is he not talking again? Let's start with some eggs, shall we? Okay, some eggs. Okay, I have 0 eggs right now. 0 eggs right now.
I'm excited.
Oh, guys.
So what's happening now?
And before, what he said before, he said that times 3 eggs. What does it mean?
Frenzy.
What?
What's that?
Times 3 eggs.
Guys, comment down below if you know what that means.
I so the chickens produce times 3 for you. Oh, okay, times 3. I get. Something. Wisdom.
Oh, the cash. I need the cash.
Times 3. Grab the which lucky blocks? Grab the lucky. Oh my God! Gum. I'm taking it. There are two. Do you see it on your screen?
Yeah.
Bro, someone's going to take it. Hurry up, someone's going to take it.
I've done it already. I've taken it already.
Okay.
I got a fried. Oh my God.
I got a cactus. No way.
Fried, guys.
No freaking way.
Fried, bro.
Cactus. I have 2 cactus.
Okay, nice.
Fried. Oh my God. Oh, let's go.
Fried.
100k. Oh my God, 100k players right now.
This update looks like it's gonna be W. I'm feeling it.
Guys,
It's gonna be
W, guys. Spam W in the chat. And what the fuck? What's this?
Me, what's happening?
I'm about to get 1 billion eggs right now.
I'm gonna play KALB's
Lucky block.
update. So
What's
I'm
the time, guys?
going for
The
this
time is
one.
3:32. It's
I'm
3:32,
going for
bro.
this one and KALB's.
Yeah,
So
same.
you guys should stay tuned. If you don't know what KLB is, it's basically
Kick a lucky block. It's like a game, fun game.
Hey guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just a small
A
creator.
gum lucky block.
Trying to make
2.8,
you guys happy.
bro.
So,
Shall I risk my money on
just
all?
like and subscribe, please. I'll be great.
Guys, bro spawn lucky blocks on the server. For real? I'm more unlocking. Let's see what I get. Let's go, Rafam. A villager. What, bro? What a villager did I get? Okay, so I gotta tune up the music. What's the chat? I about rebet. You lose everything, though.
I don't care.
Sure.
At least it's weather, right?
Yeah.
I don't like this multiplayer. Don't do something crazy.
Max the egg multiply. Like what I mean? Wait, so my eggs give me 2.7. Wait. 12. Wait, like, what the fuck?
Guys, I read
1 3 feel like it.
It's like I did something.
3.
W's in the chat. W's. Let's go, guys. Let's count W. Let's go.
Let's open. Please cut this. I beg you. Let's go, snowman. Let's go.
Guys, I think I took myself. I'm going to.
Right. Okay, fine. I'm taking that. That's not so bad. 3. Okay, 3. That's coming. The villager, bro. We are no villagers, bro. We are no villagers. In fact, what happens if I merge? Should I merge? No. A rainbow lucky block. 63 billion. I can't believe that. We just rebel. just rebate.
I did.
For real? Nah, you're kidding. You're kidding.
I'm serious, I did.
Oh, you did it. Did it give you lucky blocks so far? Okay. Want some money? Me, some money. Me. I want some money. Said
I
so.
don't want some money, I need some money.
For real? You're kidding. No, I want to merge. I do not want to merge. How about billionaires? That's all. I got a new bro, it's called yin yang. Yin yang chicken. I merged. Hey guys. Why you saying hello? Hello everyone. Swoto. Yes, returned. Bruh, I thought you said he was sick. I just keep trying to watch. Some money, hey, give some 30 minutes of time skip, whatever. I received 4. How much did they give you? Well, I received 4 billion. Good hope you like it blocks on the ground. I didn't take rainbow. Wait, there was a rainbow on your screen. There's one bubble gum here. Come take it. Oh, I'm standing. Have you seen it? Oh, wait, it's different on everyone's screen. Let's get some more eggs. Okay, fried. No, don't tell me I go fried. If I get another villager, I'm gonna crush up real. 2 times 5 egg free. Hey, you know what, chill. So much. What's going on? And my screen is up. I do feel like it was. Brother, why did you spam these lucky blocks on the ground? I mean, this bubble gum you gave me. The best is yin yang. I'm about to make merge. And wait, I lost it. I only have 3 and no, I think I made a mistake. Snowman. Where's my cactus? Why did I merge?
You made a mistake.
I lost all my cactus. Now I left it. I have 3.
Bro, that was the dumbest thing.
Enjoy. Thank
I
you.
got a dummy. I think you need that one.
Fried. Another fried for you. W's in the chat. Yeah, W's in the chat. Whatever. I murdered again. What the fuck? Guys, what am I doing? Max X for real, bro. Max X again. Money, yeah, money. I received 17. Oh my god. For real, I don't know who said that at the same time. Nah, that means 2 cash free. I keep getting these ones. Facts, bruh. Why? I pray I can find a cactus. Oh my god! I receive a lot of cash. This is your base. Oh, nice. Watch me teleport. Teleported. Open. A rainbow like it was here. Right. No rainbow. It is, yeah, it's rainbow. I got yin yang. See my base. Yep. Hey, wait, I wish we get to this. What's happening? We didn't do more cash. Real brother. Let me hear it. Hear what? In the global chat. Spox, that's for me. Hell yeah. We have 104 billion. How much do you have? Nice. Yeah, ching. Yep, snowman. You got snowman. For real. No cap. You got gummy. You happy? Again, happy. What do you get from the gummy? You're lying. For real. Wow. if I merge. No! I merge and I got a skeleton. Replace my yin yang. Skeleton level 14 and then cactus. No. Oh, I love this. I'll keep moving. Maybe let's add an abuse. Yeah, drop it first. Right now, max speed. What? Oh, 2 billion. It gives me 2 billion eggs. The skeleton. You have a cactus. Yin yang, for real, yin yang again. Yin yang again. Look at all the gummy lucky blocks out of there. They also rainbow too. No way. Or they lucky blocks? They lucky blocks. Snowman, okay. Oh, I'm a 1 trillion. A skeleton. No way. I got another skeleton. Right. Alright. Yin yang.
New chickens, new ribbon, new lucky block.
Give it a fried chicken. Cactus! Skeleton. Oh, cactus, guys. Cactus. A royal lucky block. That's what it says here. Skeleton. No, I have 3 skeletons. Oh my god. Oh my freaking, oh my, this is the best abuse. If I merge, I'll get new stuff. Rainbows. Let's go. I gonna need egg. Chef, baby. Let's go, chef, baby. My chef is my baby. My chef is my baby, baby. Go. Let's get a chef. This is so cool. I hate cactus. You got one? I don't know what I'm saying. Hey, yo, Skeletino. Now I'm on 2 trillion. Yeah, I can say no, my ex, bro. I'm too rich. I'm about to rebet. 3, 2, 1. Emerge. and I got to 20 times what? Times 20, you get 23 of the cash. Lucky blocks. Gum. I don't like gum. Oh. Fried. Wait, let me check if Jerry's online before I invite him here. My, he's not online. What about the wrong? No online either. I'm sure. Nope, he's not in. 71 billion eggs. What the fuck? Feeling like do you think like blocks are just more? Me, I want more money. Here's some rainbow lucky blocks on the ground. Let's open them. Cactus. Chef, no, chef, I got a chef. I'm 2 chefs now. Like, no freaking way. Oh my god, I'm a work pressure. Stay tuned for the upcoming boost. Oh, I have boobs. Sorry guys. Blur that and do not listen to what I said. Your first rainbow. Is your first rainbow? Like the actual cactus. Me, I also got a cactus. Bro, I don't get chef. The rarest on the chef I've gotten like 3 times. There's a crown like it. Yeah, you have it. I got a painter. Like I got a little painter, a new brain wall, a little painter. Like for real. How did I get that? Like no God, no. Incoming. What I get like before? Nice, your first skeleton, I got a new one, it's called Mailbox. So, oh, no. Like what do you mean? Go, like what do you mean go? Oh! Go. Suppose I like it much better. Jeffrey! Nice. Crown, I like that. A lava. Magma. Let's see what I give him magma. Mailbox. 5 hours of cash. Hey, yo, brother. I got the best. I got magma. Something to have. Bro, how much cash do you have right now? Wow, for now, I'm on. Brilliant. Like, I should rebid or not. No, tube it. No, come on, like an hour, not that much time. That merch. Nah, no, nah. Oh, 1.22 QD. Hey, yo, QD. Yeah.
Oh, rainbow lucky block, molten lucky block.
What happened to my base? Oh, yeah, it's all gone, you see. Wait.
Guys, don't touch me. Guys, something's happening. Something's
They're taking us to somewhere. Where?
happening.
So where did they take us? I was scared my base went. Like, yeah. After they even to rebed. Now we just start getting everything. Like it up to come from bad to good. Chef. 92K players. Spawn some magma like it. Yeah, mailbox. Thank you. Something peaceful. Spawn like something like it or someone said, but I want that. I want that. Money. Give us some cash. Hey yo, brother, give us some cash. Nice. Copy. So is there anything that's gonna happen next or nothing else is gonna happen? How much cash you got? Why? Why? What's my words? Why nothing happened?
There's no way I mean
I need cash, bro. No, so that's what I did.